If you want to turn off suggestions in Google Drive, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change one simple setting so Google Drive opens more cleanly and gives you a less distracting experience. This is a great tip if you want to focus on your own files instead of seeing extra suggestions when you open Drive. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Google Drive tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Once Google Drive loads, sign in with the Google account you want to use. After you're inside Drive, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens the Settings menu, which is where Google Drive keeps a lot of its personalization options. From the menu, click Settings. That will take you into the full Google Drive settings page. Now, on the settings screen, look for the General section. In this section, you'll see an option called Start Page. By default, Google Drive is usually set to Home, which means Drive may show you recommended files, recent items, and suggestions when you open it. If you want to reduce those suggestions and go straight to your files, change the Start Page option from Home to My Drive. This is the key step. Choosing My Drive makes Google Drive open directly to your personal file area instead of the more suggestion-heavy Home view. It's a simple change, but it can make your Drive experience feel much cleaner and more organized. Once you select My Drive, make sure the setting is applied. Depending on your account, the change may save automatically, or you may need to close the settings window after selecting it. Either way, once the setting is updated, you can go back to the main Drive page and you should notice that it opens more directly into your files. And that's it. You've turned off those Google Drive suggestions by changing the start page to My Drive. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference if you use Drive every day and want a simpler workspace. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.